Hey everyone, Martin here with CoinRingUSA.com. Take your attention over here to the stack of 4 reduction dice here. These are all engraved, of course. I've got 1.1 and it says 1.2 on the other side. So what that means is on the outer inner diameter lip here, it can accept a coin that's 1.1 inches across. And then of course on this side, it's 1.2 inches across. And then likewise, you follow here to the 1.3 and the 1.4, 1.3 on this side, 1.4 on that side, 1.5 and 1.6 on this particular die. And the fourth die is one that I've been getting some questions on, and I'm going to go ahead and actually run a ring through this one here so you guys can understand. Those of you that have had questions, again, this says 1.1, that's 1.1 inches here, and that says 1.2, that's 1.2 on this side, and then you'll see in the center it says 25 degrees. So one of the questions that people have had, you can see the 2 different dies here in regards to the fact that the main difference between the 2 is that this one here is pitched, the cone-shaped inner die walls here on both sides are pitched at 25 degrees. So where and why that comes into play is after you've taken a coin, say a Morgan silver dollar, and you've started to reduce it into starting with the 1.5, 1.6, then you're gonna just further take it down and it follows what I call a pairing order. So if you start the Morgan silver dollar with the 1.5 and the 1.6, you'll then take it to the 1.3 and the 1.4 die, continuing to reduce the coin. When you get to the point where you want to make a larger coin into a smaller coin ring and you want that rounded or that fat tire look, that's where this fourth die comes into play. The 25 degrees is pitched steep enough so that when you put a coin in there and you start to press it down to get it to the smaller sizes, for example, if you want to get a Morgan silver dollar, say down to a 9.5, I've personally got the Morgan silver dollar down to that size using this die, the 9.5. I actually have here, which I'll be doing very shortly, a Serenity Prayer token coin. It's a size 12 right now. So what I'll be using is this 25 degree pitched die. So I hope that that answers the question regarding the 4 standard dies right here. And the cool thing about these 4 dies, for people in other countries, or if you yourself are doing coins from other countries, the florin and things like that, you can actually use these dies. So again, they're not specific to American currency. As long as the coin fits inside the outer diameter of the top of the die wall, you're good to go. These are all pitched at an optimal degree. Those are 4 of the 6 dies that I have to offer. The last 2 are the new stabilizing reduction dies. As I had done in a previous video, you can see that says 25 cents on one side, 50 cents on the other. And where that comes into play is on this side here, you put a US quarter. You can see that little straight wall, that counterbore straight wall lip there, that actually stabilizes and holds the coin in place so you can get that perfect initial first crucial fold. Again, 25 cents, and on the other side here, 50 cents as well. So that's die number 5. Die number 6 says $1, and ASE on the other side. $1, this is machined to fit the Morgan silver dollar and the Peace silver dollar as well. Same thing, conical bore design, straight wall, actually grips and stabilizes the coin all the way around as you start to initially fold it down. And then on the other side, where it says ASE, this is machined for the American Silver Eagle. And what I'm going to show you now is one of those dies in action, so that this is a great die to use to get the smaller sizes on the larger coins, and also allowing you to get that fat tire look. So I'm going to go ahead now and use this 25 degree die and actually take this down a couple of sizes. Okay, so right now this Serenity Prayer token coin ring that I'm making is actually a size 12.5, and I'm going to go ahead and using the 25 degree pitched 1.1, 1.2 inch reduction die, I'm going to go ahead and take this down a couple sizes. So I'm going to go ahead and use my arbor press for this today. Just get a nice even press. Flip it around and do the other side. And there we go. I've reduced this Serenity Prayer token coin ring from a size 12.5 down to a size 11. It was actually the size that I was looking to get. So just to show you guys, that's the 25 degree die in action, in use. Again, a really good die for getting the smaller sizes on the larger coin rings. And as well, it helps to protect the inner detail, which is critical, of course, when you're making these coin rings. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Go ahead and subscribe in the lower right-hand corner if you haven't already. Go ahead and like and comment the video. Check out my shop page at CoinRingUSA.com. And keep sending the comments and suggestions. And also, yeah, check out my blog site if you haven't had a chance yet. It's CoinRingUSAblog.com. You can also leave comments there as well, and you can email me through that blog site. So have a great day. We'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye for now.